just wanted to show you the Nexbelt. Since we launched our MAX and we're about to launch our MAX X holsters that use clips and rely on a belt, I wanted to be able to give you some reliable EDC belts that you can wear. So Nexbelt sent us this. Thank you, Nexbelt, for sending out this test and evaluation sample. And basically this is what comes in the package. You get the strap itself, you get the buckle, and we'll talk more about these later. You get some set screws and an Allen wrench. And they tell you to cut this 2 inches above your normal waist, or your normal pant size, excuse me. So I wear a 34, I'm gonna cut it at a 36, which is the mark on the back, you can see. And you cut that straight across. Instead of insert it into the buckle, you just lift the latch and then close that down and make sure it's straight. And it's really hard, so I'm gonna have to press down on it. Put some elbow grease into it. Okay, so that clamps in there pretty tight, and then these set screws go in these 2 holes. And I'll let you know how this belt does over time. As always, thank you for making the choice to defend yourself and those you love. This is Anthony. God bless you and yours.